Hey, what's up everybody? First and foremost, I want to give a huge shout out to Ray-Ban. These got to be some of the cleanest sunshades I've ever owned in my life. These actually were handcrafted on the remix section of their website. This is where you can basically customize your glasses. You can pick whatever frame, whatever ear tips. You can pick the color of the frame, the finish. You can pick, you can actually pick the type of case you get. And on top of all that, you actually get to put some personalized engraving on there, whether it be on the ear tips or on the case itself. But I gotta say, these are very, very nice to have on my face. Super lightweight. You know, one thing I gotta say about quality, man, I've owned a lot of pair of sunglasses, and I've never, you know, bothered to spend the money that was necessary to have a designer pair of shades. Now, granted, I'm not a designer guy, so I don't own a lot of designer things, but you know, you expect a certain level of quality when you pay for something of a designer price. And I gotta say, as soon as I picked these shades up, man, compared to other aviators I've had before in the past that didn't cost, you know, nowhere near what these cost, you can tell, you can feel the quality in your hand. You know, with a frame this thin, you would expect, I don't know, it just feels like it would break, right? No, these feel very sturdy. I don't know what kind of material it is, but the frame and the craftsmanship of the glasses are pristine. You feel like you get everything you paid for in these glasses right here. Speaking of which, there's all types of authenticity built into these shades. If you look on the bridge right here under the nose, if you click on the bridge right here under the bridge on top of the nose, you'll see some engraving. It's got some Luxottica branding or some Ray-Ban branding, and even of course you see the Ray-Ban embossed right there. But also in here, if you hold it up to the sun long enough, or if you hold it up to the sun just right, you can actually see an R and a B in the corner right there. That's something that really can't be duplicated well. And also in the stems right here, you got a lot of built-in authenticity to let you know you got the real deal from Ray-Ban themselves. Now, as far as the look and feel of these things, man, you just can't go wrong with a nice set of aviators. And this flash blue that I'm rocking right here, it's actually a polarized lens. And I'm gonna tell you right now, these this particular lens, I don't think it's due to the polarization, but this color, it actually gives the sky and everything else a warm feeling. And I didn't even notice this until I kind of just switched back and forth with my old shades. My old shades were a different tint. They were kind of like a bluish color or bluish tint. It almost gave everything kind of like a drab or dark kind of effect. These brighten everything up, almost like I'm looking into some HD sunglasses. But the polarization definitely helps. I will tell you that when you're looking at when you're looking through polarized lenses and you're looking at LCD screens, it does kind of, you know, have this swirly effect. So when I look at my LCD screen on my car right here, it is kind of swirly and dim in some parts. So be aware of that when you're looking into polarization, because it's not for everyone. But if you're boating, skiing, anything that has to do with sun and where you need to get out that glare, like if you're fishing or something like that, motorcycle riding, anything that has to do with sun or UV light rather, you actually would really benefit from these glasses or any pair of polarized lenses. But these right here, I love the way they look on my face. I've actually rocked a few outfits with them, man. And I gotta say, man, I look pretty fly in them outfits with these shades on. It's like the finishing touch, man. It's like putting the period on the end of the sentence. Anyways, Ray-Ban, I gotta say thank you again, but I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just wearing these fly glasses, man. But until I get another video out, y'all go ahead and tap on that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.